guys, today we'll be playing Airplane Story 4, The Final Flight. This is Series 1, Episode 4, the final one for Series 1. Next series is confirmed the game will be Breaking Story. And we will have 2 new Uns playing with us, or maybe 1. Carrot is 1, we know that for sure. But yeah, wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Forgot about what? Today's the big what? Today's the big day. Why? Let me remind you. We're flying to the Bahamas. Wait, we are? Alex, I didn't know that. Guys, today I'll be a bacon. I'm a bacon today. Alex, we have to. We're going to be late. Okay. Don't ask why I'm a bacon today. Let's just say account is not working. Yeah, of course we haven't. We didn't even know. No! Okay, Alex, let's explore the house first, you know what I mean? What? Is that a picture of Pilot Keely? Wait, I want to follow Dad. Same, I want to go to a trip. Pilot Keely's our mum. You eat.
She could be.
Yeah. Okay, let's start exploring, Alex. Go downstairs. Oh, snake! Whoa, there's a picture of Pilot Keely with the big RTV. There's a picture of Airplane Story 3 downstairs.
Oh, there's an airplane thingy hanging in the voice bedroom.
Oh, there's a cruise story. But we're doing Breaking Story, that's confirmed now.
Okay, I'll do story.
Yeah. If there's multiple. Only if there's multiple. We can do that as like extras after.
Okay.
Oh, stay in the hallway. Oh, where is this? Blue trousers, is it this? No, it's the other room. Ah. I got the baggage actually.
Who got put your items in?
Me? Sorry, I didn't know where the thing was. Why is it intense music? Oh, that's in the boys' room, I'm guessing. What one are you going for? I had to get a world t-shirt. Picture of the world on it.
Okay, you're so quick.
I am.
Okay,
Oh, shoes. Wrong. Oh, I went to a wrong place again.
I got a t-shirt.
Have you not got any shoes yet?
Yeah, I did get some shoes.
Oh, I got shoes now.
In the first one.
Aye. Yeah. Why is there a moldy burger?
I wasn't mean getting that moldy bug.
Why am I in the pool? Oh, so I've got my baggage.
We can go through the vent.
Actually, what's down here? It's a secret. Alex, let's go back up. Alex, we need to go to the bathroom before we go.
Oh, yeah, just get oh no.
Alex, we need to go to Alex, before we go to the airport, when we're rushing out, we need to go to the toilet first. We'll go to the girls' toilet because it's so slay in there. Alex, we need to sit down. We have 15 seconds. Alex, but you're not gonna get a burger. Num num num. Why are you over there, Dad? What? How did you just get a burger? How is that all of them? Come on, Alex, follow me. We need to go to the toilet in a bit. Hurry up and eat your burger. Let's see if we can go to the toilet now. Ooh, radio. That fish has been spotted. That was us. What do you mean, whoa? I literally did it. No, because, like, yeah, you know what I mean by that. Technically, we didn't explode it. No, not me. No, why would I crash a plane? Alex, we need to go to the toilet. What do you mean, Alex? We really need to go to the toilet. We need to find all the secrets, actually. So let's actually also look for one. Alex, quickly go to the pink bathroom. It's the closest. Alex, quick! Dad's slow. Go in the pink one, it's close. Go in the toilet. Oh, there's a duck. Oh, it's a secret! Go, run. Hurry up and go to the toilet. Dad, wait for us. Yes, Dad! Oh my God. I've got my baggage in case. You're in front of me, lucky. Yeah, Alex, it is so funny, isn't it? Okay, why do I feel like this is going to be dangerous? Why do I feel like this is going to be dangerous, Alex? You know what I mean? What about you, Dad? Come on, Dad.
Are you gonna eat your burger?
Who?
Your burger.
Same with you. Same with you, Alex. Your burger. How are we gonna drive this? Dad, get in here. Dad, what do you mean? No, wait. We don't even know how to fly these. We will have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Obstacles! Look out for tokens, okay, while we're here. This is scary. Yeah, we got secret 2, the dark, and we got secret 1. get sent. Whoa, I nearly got hit by it.
Have you taken any damage yet?
No, I haven't.
The secret!
Wait, we need to go get it. I got it. Do you not get it? We need to land, Alex. I landed. That was scary. Oh. Alex, you still have your bag. Equip your baggage. I want to see what it looks like.
I can't equip my bag.
No! I forgot to tell you. What do you mean? I knew I had a bad feeling about that.
Are you joking? Dad, we might just get arrested.
Oh, Dad, at least... And we're not even... But we're not even age. We can't even be the right age to get in our own planes. Dad, you actually... Behind you, Alex. I miss Ronald, you know what I mean? Alex, just go forwards. I don't care. Like the one in episode 3. There's a big truck. I'm just gonna go forward straight away. Alex! Alex, I told you to go quick. Yeah, I know. Scary. What do you have to say? Welcome, please drop your baggage. Oh, my dad got the ticket, right? Right? 7616. What? Oh. Get our tickets. How? We need to go to number 1 first. Go to number 1. Follow number 1. Welcome. Drop your baggage. Okay. That was number 2. My bad. 1. Come on, let's go. I need to go to number 2 and get my ticket. Ah, thanks for my ticket.
I'm fine. What about you? Yes.
Yeah. Where? 716. Go. Cool. Oh, I'm scared to go through the metal detector. Dad's known for risky stuff. Wait, what? I didn't bring it. Alex, what did he bring? Wait, what? It wasn't me. Alex, come back! Dad, are you serious? Dad, what did you bring? Our plane's about to leave you. Dad! No, there's police now. First, you lead us to a risky trespassing thing. Second, you lead us to the police.
Oh, great.
Oh, I'm going to climb up here because I'm bored. Wait, you can climb up here? That's cool.
Haha, yeah. Well, you don't have a map.
I'm going to get bats. I'm going to get a bat. I got a bat. Ah, ah, ah. What was a bad idea? Getting a life? Oh my god. Yes, we are because of you. So, shush. And get a bat. Alex, smash our dad. Oh. Help me. Run. Oh, I need to climb up here. It's too scary. Oh, why did everything take? What? What do you mean your plans are compliant? Are you enjoying the show, humans? No. Yeah, I crashed once.
Yeah. I'm looking at that, would do that.
Not me, duh. What do you think? I'm just gonna wait here for the police officers because they can kill Skeletox, right? Right? I'm kind of scared.
I'm scared.
I killed 2 of them! Alex, I killed 2!
Nobody did.
Yeah, you need to
Right, oh,
go! That was easy.
get out,
We just destroyed them.
get out.
Come on, Alex, let's go up here. We might need to go through the vent. Let's go. Push it. Ah, Alex, make the jump. It's so easy. Yeah, I think it's here. Let's open it. Oh, I got it. No, it opened. Alex, it opened. Whoa. What about that? Oh, I just went on the conveyor belt. I think we need to go this way. Whoa, it won't let me. Dad!
Oh no. You didn't get bitten,
Dad!
did you? No. I mean, you didn't kind of
Look, Dad, he's my only dad. My only sunshine. Come on, Alex, through here. We have 90 seconds to go all the way to the top. Wait, our bags are coming. Wait, Alex, there's another secret. No. Yeah, it is secret 4, come on. We need to look for it. Come on. Whoa. General Poncho!
Wait, what?
General Poncho, you're back!
You kept dying because you weren't protecting us.
General Poncho, you're my only sunshine. You make me happy.
You know who he is. I don't understand.
You make me happy.
Yeah, we saw you die in the exploding thing.
Oh yeah, because it was Skeletox the whole time.
Faking your death. Well, we're not because like I wait. No, because I exist. I would like to remind you that I was the one who saved the day.
Alex, why do I feel like, you know that little white building over there? If we go behind there, there'll be another secret. Should we check?
Yeah.
Imagine, if there is, oh no, you can't even go there.
There's someone there.
Ronald?
Maybe we don't go there.
Is that Ronald?
No,
That's Ronald.
it's not.
I remember his
What have
trousers.
you done to our Ronald?
Ronald, FBI, open up. Yeah, that's what I said. Ronald?
Ronald's been cursed.
Yeah, I remember you, Ronald. E because Ronald is here. Happy, happy, happy. What do you mean he's supposed to be dead? Wait, what?
Oh, no, you didn't. You didn't get shot in the face.
Is the agent called Ronald?
Didn't you attack the plane because you wanted a friend, and now you're saying it's because of your dark side?
Oh, I'm gonna go with General Poncho. He looks cool.
Yeah, I don't trust Ronald.
Ronald. Huh.
Ronald McDonald.
Haha, I'm Bobo. That's her life.
I'm not. I don't trust him. Yeah. What he said. Ronald.
I'm gonna go with General Poncho.
Yep.
Boom, 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 boom.
Get out of here.
You that I require, she's a wee back and boogie. Cause we're just meant to be. She's a... Do you like my skibbity?
We choose to go with General Poncho.
Haha, Ronald. Ronald, you can come with us.
Yeah.
With us. Where'd Ronald go?
Oh. General Poncho.
Where's Dad? Is that Dad?
I was just
Alex, run! Follow the airplanes.
Okay.
This way.
Is that where we started right now?
This way. Alex, come on. Alex, I made it. I'm here. Come on, Alex, there's a time limit.
I'm not waiting for that.
What airplane are you at? What colour? I've got passport. Alex, hi! Where are they? What is this? We should have gone with Ronald. Ronald!
Who's in River Cage? Who's that?
Pilot Keely? Oh, Mum.
Maybe.
Our... huh? Jack? Who's Jack? And that guy.
No, I swear. What if I can only say one of them?
Alex, I still have my bat only. I only have my bat.
No.
I can't get the sword.
Scary sword. I know what it does.
I need to get my...
Find out.
Alex, I've still got my thingy on. No! I can't get my bat. No way! If I can't get my bat.
No. And we have to see
Hurry up, Skeletops. I need to get the sword. Got it! I got the sword! I actually got a sword! Move! Keep on moving because he's gonna keep on trying to kill you. Oh! Oh! Hit him! Oh no. What are you doing? I can't. I don't know what to... Oh. How do we hit him? Whoa. Ah! Too risky. Why is it only on me? General got to do something. Oh! Don't stand together, it'll make it harder. Oh! I sent him. Why me? Why me? Alex, run! You did it. Same with me. You can't hit him yet. We have to hit him after the Alex, run! What HP are you? He's on me! I hit him! You have to do it too much. More times, Alex, and we're done. Shoot him whenever you can. No, I got hit! Not this attack. Too scary. Help me. I'm actually one tap. I know, that was one tap. Okay, Alex. So when he does the attack thing, you know that like slamming thing, don't be like, you can also so when he goes for you, stand a little bit side. Look, I hit him. Some damage. Alex, on you. No, it's not that one. It was that one. Go, go, go. Spam. damage. He's actually won. If we don't kill him, we're actually bad. No. Don't walk in the front. He's gonna do the attack. Oh! Can I attack him? Nah, it's too risky. Oh! Bro, did you see that? Nash, Alex, just keep him. Alex, run! One more, and then we can go in for the attack. No! Go for the attack. I did damage. Yeah, we could have killed him by now. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. What? Oh, I thought he was still alive. Elbows a skeleton. No, don't jump in there, guys. Oh. Don't jump. This is... Oh. Yay. Oh, let's go. That was so fun.
Nice.
Yeah! Ronald Trump! Alex is Ronald Trump! Where's Dad? Dad!
That is not.
Where's Dad? Flamingo's here! Pilot Keely. Mum. Keely. Keely's our mum. What about our dad? Wait, what? I knew it! We knew it! Alex, we knew it!
It was amazing, General. Yeah. I even got this cool sword.
General?
Wait, where's General? Hey, we can be sure.
What do you mean? Ronald!
Good job, boys.
And guys, that was Series 1, Episode 4 completed. Series 1 completed.